Imagine waking up at sea, stepping out your door, and choosing whether your view is a porthole or a panoramic sky terrace. That's what Star Princess offers, from modest comfort to true luxury. Today, we'll explore every cabin class on this incredible ship, what you get, who it suits best, and whether the upgrade is truly worth the price. Because when you're planning your dream voyage, every detail matters, from restful nights to breathtaking mornings. The Star Princess, one of Princess Cruises' newest Sphere-class ships, offers accommodations that range from cozy interior staterooms to grand sky suites with private terraces. Whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with family, each cabin promises comfort, style, and a touch of ocean magic. So let's start with the most budget-friendly option and see just how far your money can take you aboard the beautiful Star Princess. Interior/inside cabins. The interior cabins on the Star Princess are perfect for travelers who care more about adventure than luxury. These cozy rooms, measuring around 136 to 162 square feet, are designed for comfort and efficiency. You'll get the signature Princess luxury bed, smart storage, and all the perks of medallion-class entry for a seamless experience. With no windows, you trade natural light for better value, ideal if you plan to spend your days exploring the ship. For a 7-night voyage, prices start around $553 per person, roughly $79 per night. Shorter 4-night sailings can cost about $514 in total, or around $129 per night. While you won't wake up to ocean views, you'll still enjoy the same relaxing atmosphere, quality bedding, and world-class service that Princess Cruises is known for, making it a smart choice for travelers who prefer saving on the room and splurging on experiences. Oceanview Cabins. Oceanview Cabins on the Star Princess strike a perfect balance between comfort and affordability. They share a similar size to the interior rooms, but come with one important difference: a window or porthole that lets in natural light and gives you a gentle reminder that you're sailing across the open sea. This small addition changes everything. The room feels more open, airy, and relaxing, creating a peaceful environment that enhances your overall cruise experience. Inside, you'll still enjoy all the essentials: the Princess luxury bed, medallion class entry, flat screen TV, and thoughtful storage space. But it's the view that makes mornings brighter and evenings calmer. For a 7-night cruise, Oceanview Cabins usually start around $649 per person, just a moderate step up from interior pricing. This cabin type is ideal for travelers who want a quiet, restful space without stretching their budget too far. You won't get a balcony, but you will gain a daily connection to the sea, a priceless touch that turns your stay from simply comfortable to genuinely uplifting. Balcony cabins. Balcony cabins on the Star Princess take your cruise experience to the next level by giving you your own private slice of the ocean. These rooms include a balcony of approximately 40 square feet or more, complete with sliding glass doors and seating for two. It's a space where you can enjoy morning coffee, watch the sunset, or simply feel the breeze on your face without leaving your room. There are several subcategories to suit different preferences: deluxe balcony, premium deluxe balcony, and sanctuary balcony. Each offers slight variations in location, size, and additional perks. Sanctuary balconies, for instance, provide exclusive access to the adults-only sanctuary area, adding a layer of privacy and tranquility for those seeking a more indulgent escape. Pricing for a 7-night sailing typically starts around $799 per person, while shorter 4-night cruises may begin at about $1,079. The price reflects not just the extra space, but the experience of having your own private outdoor area at sea. Balcony cabins are perfect for travelers who value fresh air, uninterrupted views, and a stronger sense of connection to the ocean, offering a blend of comfort, luxury, and memorable moments that interior or Oceanview Cabins simply cannot match. Mini suites and Cabana/sanctuary mini suites. Mini suites on the Star Princess offer a significant upgrade from standard balcony cabins, combining extra space, comfort, and enhanced amenities. These rooms typically feature larger interiors, a separate seating area, and a generous balcony. Some even include a cabana lounge space, creating a private retreat where you can relax, read, or enjoy the ocean breeze in total comfort. Cabana mini suites take this a step further by including an outdoor lounge or cabana area adjacent to the balcony. This additional space allows for more privacy and versatility, making it ideal for couples or small families who want to enjoy both indoor and outdoor living without compromise. Sanctuary mini suites offer the ultimate blend of luxury and exclusivity. Guests staying in these suites gain access to the adults-only sanctuary lounge, private dining options, and elevated services that make every moment feel personalized and indulgent. These suites are designed for travelers who value tranquility, privacy, and premium experiences on board. Pricing for mini suites is higher than standard balcony cabins, typically commanding a 25 to 40% premium depending on sailing dates and availability. For example, cabin 9312, the Cabana Deck mini suite, spans approximately 329 square feet including balcony and cabana features, providing both space and luxury. This makes mini suites an excellent choice for those seeking a more refined and comfortable cruising experience. Signature, Vista, Grand, and Sky Suites. The top-tier accommodations on Star Princess include Signature, Vista, Grand, and Sky Suites, offering an unparalleled level of luxury and space. These suites are designed for travelers seeking an elevated cruise experience, combining expansive interiors, premium amenities, and exclusive services. Signature suites feature large balconies and separate sitting areas, providing a spacious and stylish retreat. Vista suites offer mid-level suite benefits with all the comforts of a luxurious stay, making them perfect for those who want extra room without going all the way to the top tier. Grand suites expand the space further, often including priority services, enhanced mini-bar setups, and exclusive access to select areas on board. Sky Suites, including Signature Sky Suites, represent the pinnacle of onboard luxury, with multiple rooms, expansive living areas totaling approximately 1,260 square feet, including the balcony, and ultra-luxury features. These suites create a private world at sea. Guests enjoy priority embarkation and disembarkation, access to exclusive lounges, sanctuary privileges, and highly personalized services. Pricing for suites reflects this elevated experience. While a standard balcony cabin might cost around $799 per person, suites often range from $1,400 to $2,000 plus per person for a week, depending on sailing and demand. For example, a 7-night suite fare might be approximately $1,411 per person, offering an unmatched combination of space, comfort, and exclusivity. Additional costs and fees to factor in. When planning a cruise aboard the Star Princess, it's important to consider additional costs beyond the base fare. One of the primary extras is the daily onboard crew appreciation or service charge, which supports the hardworking staff who make your journey comfortable and seamless. For standard cabins, this fee is around $17 per person per day. Mini Suite or Reserve Collection guests pay slightly more at $18 daily, while Suite guests typically pay about $19 daily. These charges are automatically added to your onboard account and go directly to the crew who ensure your experience is exceptional. Beyond service charges, there are other potential expenses to keep in mind. Specialty dining venues offer unique culinary experiences, but come with additional costs. Drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic, are often not included in the base fare, and shore excursions can vary widely depending on location and activity. Cabin upgrades may also carry premiums depending on demand, deck location, and whether the cabin faces forward, aft, or midship. Prices can fluctuate dramatically based on the time of year, how far in advance you book, and current availability. Considering these factors helps ensure a smooth, budget-conscious, and enjoyable cruise experience. Cabin selection tips for ages 35 to 65. When choosing a stateroom on the Star Princess, several factors are important for travelers aged 35 to 65 who value comfort, convenience, and memorable experiences. For those who are budget conscious or plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship, interior or Oceanview cabins offer excellent value. These options provide all the essentials: comfortable beds, efficient layouts, and quality service, without the premium cost of a balcony or suite. Couples or small groups seeking a balance of comfort and a personal connection to the sea will likely find the balcony cabins offer the best return on investment. They provide private outdoor space, natural light, and the feeling of openness that enhances every moment on board. For those celebrating special occasions, milestone trips, or simply seeking a once-in-a-lifetime experience, mini suites, grand suites, or sky suites are ideal. These accommodations offer spacious layouts, exclusive amenities, priority services, and elevated comfort that make every day feel extraordinary. Additional tips include monitoring promotional deals, booking early to secure preferred cabins, and considering midship locations for smoother sailing. Avoid extreme forward or aft cabins if noise, motion, or vibration could affect your comfort. By weighing these factors, travelers aged 35 to 65 can select a stateroom that perfectly matches their priorities and enhances their cruise experience. Embarking on the Star Princess is more than a cruise. It's an unforgettable journey at sea. From cozy interiors to luxurious sky suites, there's a perfect cabin for every traveler. Ready to plan your dream voyage? Book your stateroom today and experience comfort, views, and memories that last a lifetime.